Good morning, traders. Let's take a look at this. So the overnight session did explore a little lower than the RTH session, and we're under the Wednesday halfback and POC. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. A little bit of a trend line here, and a little bit of a base. So we're going to go up, build a base, and break that, or we're going to come back down to the second warning shot, because the first warning shot has had its first warning. I'm going to move this Asia overnight low over here. So we got the London overnight low and the Asia overnight low stacking again. So the London is higher than the Asia, and we are mostly within yesterday's range. Okay, so a little line in the sand is Wednesday's halfback and POC. We still have not hit Tuesday's, the CPI candle halfback. So all of this is still bullish in my opinion. So first thing we got to do, first order of business here, kind of look at this in stages. Stage one is we've got to take out both of these if we're going to go down. And then of course this. And then nothing really changes. I mean really changes till we take out a daily low. And it's been a long time since we've taken out a daily low, it feels like. So bull case, of course, is staying above halfback. Probably, and I mean this halfback. Staying above the CPI candle halfback to me is all bullish, okay? Will it get back above here? This is kind of my first little line in the sand. This is where my eyeballs are going to be. And if you're on Zoom with me today, we're going to talk about that. This first warning and second warning. And do we get a flush underneath that? Right now, it's all bullish. Seasonality says we're probably going to have a pullback here in the next week, which would totally make sense. But doesn't mean anything, to be honest. So to me, monitoring these halfbacks are going to be important. And then my warnings. And then do we flush underneath here? I can't wait to see.
Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.